Good afternoon. My name is Craig Cook and I'm coming to you from the law offices of Craig L. Cook. I want to discuss a topic that maybe in some states gets traction. And what I'm talking about is workers' compensation in regards to the mental health of the worker. In Arkansas, it appears to be that unless you have an objective medical finding, in other words, a bodily injury, that is what you're going to be recovering upon. So when you have an on-the-job injury, such as you have a herniated disc, or you have a torn rotator cuff, or things like that, those are the type of injuries or claims that, at least in Arkansas, that we're able to pursue. The mental health side of that, not so much. In some states you may be able to do that, but in Arkansas, with the exception of limited circumstances, you're not able to pursue those. And what I mean by that is if you've got a death. So for instance, if you have a death, on-the-job death, then those claims can be pursued. If you have a family member that passes away while on the job, then contact us. That is not necessarily a psychological or mental health issue, but is an actual action that you can recover under workers' compensation laws in the state of Arkansas. Remember, if you have an on-the-job injury that has to do with rotator cuff, herniated disc, or other objective medical evidence, which does not cause death, contact us at the law offices of Craig L. Cook. That if you have a situation where a loved one passes away while on their employment or at their employment, for instance, if they have a heart attack and we can show that that heart attack was somehow caused by the employment, then that's something that we may be able to pursue. In other words, they pass away from that. Or they have a fall and they pass away from that. Contact us 479-783-8000, or you go to our website. Thank you.